So let's start with a good posture, feet hip width, knees relaxed, hips in line, shoulders back and down. Imagine that string from the crown to the sky, chin parallel to the ground, one hand on the chest, one just below the ribs. Breathing in and out through the nose, aiming that in-breath to the lower hand. Now bring the toes up, spread them out and place back down from the little toe to the big toe. And again, so bring them up, spread them out and place back down. And just one more time, so 3 times, just working on spreading the toes. And we're coming up onto the toes, reach the fingertips to the sky and then come back down. So inhale, lengthen up, belly button squeezed in. Exhale, control down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale. And exhale. And inhale. And we're staying up, so keep breathing. Staying on the toes. Bring the arms shoulder level. And squeeze the shoulder blades together and then come back. And squeeze and back. And squeeze and back. Squeeze and back. One more squeeze. Come back and then reach up as high as you can. Keep lifting. And coming down. Now we'll roll the shoulders back. And forwards. And hands on the shoulders, circle with the elbows. And the other way. And full arm circles. So inhale as you bring the arms up. Exhale, take them back. And the other way, so inhale, exhale down. And we'll bring the left leg over the right, aiming to get the toes in line. Bring that left arm up, inhale, exhale over to the right, come back to center, inhale, exhale over, and center, one more, inhale, and exhale. Bring that arm down around, and swap the feet over. And bring that right arm up, and inhale, exhale to the left. And center, inhale, exhale, inhale back, exhale over, and bring the arm down and round. So we're going to work on the star pose. So standing on the right leg, we'll bring that left leg up, so belly button squeezed in. So try and lengthen through the arms and through the legs. And then onto the other side. And bring the right leg up. And coming down. So bringing that left leg up. And then we'll see if we can lift a little bit higher. A little higher, and a tiny bit higher, and the other side. So bring that right leg up, find your balance, and lift a little higher, a little bit higher, and a tiny bit higher, and coming down. So do one more each side. So just gradually lift to your highest point, and hold. Other side, last one. And lift, keep lifting to your maximum point. Remember, only where your body allows. And coming down. So standing pose, triangle pose. Turn that left foot 90 degrees, back foot angled. You want that line from the heel to the back arch. Squeezing that front thigh, shoulders above the hips. Inhale, exhale, reach sideways. And bring the one arm down and the other one up. Coming back to center on inhale. Exhale, reach. Maybe a little bit further. But remember, nothing should hurt, so do not strain. Back, last one, inhale, exhale, reach as far as we can, and bring the hand down. So we're trying to get the arms in line, palm facing forward, and we're looking up to the sky. And coming on up. And turn the feet around. Remember, keep that front thigh engaged. We inhale, exhale. It's nice and easy to start with. And center. Inhale, exhale. Remember to keep breathing. If you're holding on to the breath, you're trying too hard. So come back to center. The last one this side. Inhale, exhale, reach. If you look up to the hand, you'll see if the arm's straight or not. You might be able to bring it back into position or not. And coming up, bring the arm down. And finish with a good posture and the breathing. The crown up to the sky. Placing one hand on the chest, one just below the ribs. See if you can feel the heartbeats with the upper hand. Try and slow the breathing down. And just notice if the body relaxes. Now we'll bring the arms down and we're all done.